Hi Kitty, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a cabbage, so let's get started. First, draw a curve here. Just following with me. The other side too. Now draw two rounded eyes inside with a circle and another smaller circle. Draw a curve inside. With 3 lines. And the mouth. Now just following with me. Draw a round curve here. Now draw the detail. Now we have a cabbage. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.